Good morning everyone. In previous class we discussed about the earthwork in exhibition in Hume Pipe Culver. Okay. So the excavation part we consider the extra work earthwork or side slope of to prevent the collapsing of earth at water level. The side slope is 1:2 ratio we consider. So the extra amount is added in the breadth. Then we are going through the earthwork in filling and ramming complete. The earthwork in filling and ramming is number 2. How? The earthwork slope is provided. Here 2 numbers. So the earthwork filling is also provided 2 because the extra slide slope, extra earthwork is going through in the excavation part is 45/2 for both sides is added in the breadth. So the 45/2 we consider here no work is provided, only 265 breadth work or cement concrete work is provided in the 310 centimeter earthwork excavation. So the remaining person in two sides, which one is going through the side slope part. The side of the extra person we excavate to prevent the collapsing of earthwork is going to be filled by the earthwork in filling and ramming method. So the both slide slope we consider. So the number of earthwork in filling is 2 numbers. The length of barrel of filling also same 30 centimeter. Here no changes in length required. So the breadth of the earthwork filling and ramming is 45/2 because one side we consider 45/2, for two sides we consider same 2 into 45/2. So here the number already we consider 2. So the breadth is 45/2 for one side. For two sides it is multiplied by 2. Okay. So then height of the filling same is equal to the earthwork excavation height because how much amount of excavation we done in the section, then this amount of filling we consider in this section. So the height is also equal to the excavation height. So the height is 45 centimeter. Here the total value, the quantity is how much? 2 into 30 into 45/2 into 45 is equal to 0.061 0.061 cubic. Okay. First of all, I clear you about the filling part. Why you need here the filling? The excavation we consider the extra side slope to prevent collapsing. No? So the extra person we excavate, we cannot remain in the condition. So we need to fulfill the total extra person, but the construction we provided in the earthwork excavation part in the barrel, the base part breadth is 210. Here, the breadth is 265, but the total breadth we consider in the excavation is how much? The excavation breadth is considered 310, but we only construct only 265 breadth and 45 height. But the extra part we consider in the side slope, we cannot construct any barrel. So the extra part remaining in the side of the barrel, we have to fill it. So we consider in case of filling, the breadth is 45/2 and the height is 45 and the length is 30 centimeter. Plus only we deduct the amount of construction from the amount of earthwork in excavation breadth. So the filling breadth is equal to the earthwork excavation minus the earthwork excavation breadth minus the side slope, the two side slope. Then we getting the total value of the earthwork in filling. Then we going through the single brick flat soling. What do you mean by single brick flat soling? The excavation plan part is completed. Then earthwork and filling part we completed. Then we are going through the single brick flat soling. So how many numbers of single brick flat soling is used in 30 centimeter length barrel? So here the diagram is cross section on A. We check the soling is provided 1 number. Whose length is how much? Whose length is 265. Thickness is how much? 10 centimeter. So here the soling is 1. So how much barrel length? The total barrel we provided the swirling. The barrel length is constant. Same 30 centimeter barrel is provided. The breadth of swirling is how much? Breadth of swirling is here 265. The breadth of swirling is 265. Then thickness of swirling cannot need it because we know in glacial flooring the unit is meter square, because a single brick flat swirling is constant whose thickness is 10 centimeter. In case of calculation, we already in part we consider the thickness already in the quantity calculation case. So we no need to consider the height because the unit of flooring is meter square. So we only consider the length and breadth. So the total quantity is how much? The number is equal to 1. Length is equal to 30 into breadth is equal to 265. 1 into 30 into 265 is equal to 0.795 square meter. We know the flooring unit is square meter. So no need to place here the height. Okay. Then we are going to the cement concrete plan. After from brick flat soling, we provided the cement concrete here. Right or wrong? To place the pipe in case of barrel. Okay. So cement concrete is provided the ratio 1:3:6 with brick ballast, considering whole first. So first of all we consider the whole amount, then we deduct the pipe because the cement concrete is not used in the pipe area. So first of all we consider the whole in the basis of the pipe also. Then after that we deduct the amount of pipe. Okay. So the whole number we consider the barrel. 1 number. Length of barrel is how much? 30 centimeter. Here 30 centimeter is provided. And breadth of barrel is how much? Breadth of barrel is provided 265. The breadth of barrel is 265 is provided. Then height of barrel is how much? So first of all we calculate the height of barrel is how much. Here from bottom part to this part is how much distance? We know the total chamfer distance for it. This is known as the chamfer. The two sides is provided the chamfer. The total chamfer distance we cannot consider. From the swirling to the chamfer distance 70 centimeter. We deduct the chamfer distance from the 70 centimeter. Then we get how much the value? The value is 55. Okay, the value is 55. From which point? From swirling ending point to this point. To this point the value is 55 meter. So first of all we consider from this point. After that we consider the chamfer section, because chamfer portion is consist with some angles. So first of all we consider from this part After that we consider the chamfered portion. Okay. So first of all देखो, so length is 30 centimeter, breadth is 265, then height is 55. How can we define? 55 is equal to 70 minus 15. 15 for what? 15 for chamfered portion. Then we can get the quantity. How much? 1 into 30 into 265 into 55 is equal to 0.437 cubic or meter cube. Okay, the remaining part we discuss in next class.